Afternoon, we'll see how long it lasts, but rains a lot. I've been van lifing on Vancouver Island for the past month, and there's a lot to love about Vancouver Island in the fall and winter. I had heard that it rains a lot in BC in the fall and winter, but I wasn't sure if that was actually true. If you're wondering if it actually rains a lot in Vancouver Island in November, the rumors are true. It rains a lot. One of the keys to enjoying the island despite the plentiful rain is a good pair of rain boots and an umbrella. Also, really important to get outdoors and enjoy nature as soon as there's a break in the weather. Today is a beautiful sunny morning / early afternoon. We'll see how long it lasts, but loving it. And with that frame of mind, even though it looked like it was going to rain the entire time, I decided to do the Pacific Circle route. Jordan River was all about the raging ocean. There's no town there. Not much, just a few campgrounds and the ocean. Then it was on to Port Renfrew. What I remember the most about Port Renfrew is the lack of any kind of cell range. I know, it's sad. I should be able to relax, just enjoy nature without internet, but that's just not in my nature. Plus, I need to work. Then it was time for the main event, going to see the big trees of BC. On est venu voir le plus gros arbre. Il s'appelle Big Lonely Dog, puis ouais, il est pas mal immense. Then I camped close to Avatar Grove to get to go in the morning. Un autre super de bon spot que j'ai trouvé sur iOverlander, c'est juste à côté de Avatar Grove, mais c'est vraiment privé. On est au mois de novembre, so l'été probably c'est pas mal plus occupé que ça là, but right now c'est pas mal de ça. So since Cathedral Grove is closed due to COVID, we're at Avatar Grove, and really cool, big trees here too. Check it out. Next on the route was Lake Cowichan. I'd been there before, but this time I got to stay longer and got to enjoy it in a whole new way.
L'eau est tellement claire, on peut voir le fond. À Nanaimo, présentement, c'est vraiment beau. Je pensais que le harbor à Victoria était vraiment beau. Puis c'est encore mon préféré, mais j'aime pas mal ça, Nanaimo aussi.
Finally, before heading back to Victoria, stopped in at Mill Bay, where we met some wonderful people and stayed at a beautiful place, courtesy of Boondockers Welcome. After living in my van for almost 6 months, stay tuned next Monday for an official van tour. I think it's about time, don't you?